Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at our new event calendar and also show you how to sign up for programs. So to get to our event calendar, you're going to go to our website, scrantonlibrary.org, and click the Events tab on the top, and that will bring you right to our calendar. So here's our new calendar. You'll see that up here we are looking at the monthly calendar. If you wanted to look at a different date, you could click over and look at October's programs if you want and keep going as much as you'd like. For now, we'll stick to September. There's also some other ways to view the calendar. You can view upcoming programs or by the week. I really like the weekly calendar because if I am looking for something on a particular day at a particular time, just to fill some time, it's a really easy way to see what's going on hourly during the week. For now, we're going to switch back to our monthly calendar and take a look on this left-hand side at our filters. You can search for programs by keyword, by registration type, so whether a program requires or does not require registration. You can also search by age, and you'll see that our programs are actually color-coded on our calendar. So children's programs like Team Kindness or Take Home Tuesdays are in light blue. Teen programs like Writing the College Essay are in this kind of medium blue. And our adult programs like Craft of the Week or Library Happy Hour are in navy. We also have a couple all ages programs like Writing Wednesday. Those programs are in green. You can also filter your programs by program type on the left-hand side. For example, if you are just looking for story times, you can click that and then click the apply button. That will bring you to a version of our events calendar that only shows our story times. So let's go back to our full calendar. And I would love to show you how to sign up for some programs. So the first program we're going to sign up for is Writing the College Essay. It will tell you that registration for this event will close on a specific date. And then on the bottom, you'll see registration. So you are going to register by your first and last name, your email address. I'll use my work email and my work phone number. And we are going to put testing in the notes so that Colin knows that we are just testing registration. Here it will ask you where you're from. We're going to say I'm a Madison resident and how you hear about this event. This isn't required, but it's great because we love to know how you hear about all of our fun programs. Then you're going to hit register and you'll get your confirmation. So that's how you know that you have registered for Writing the College Essay. Now, if you'd like to sign up for a program that has a wait list, we can do that too. So, for example, our very popular Library Happy Hour, I am almost positive has a wait list at this point. So registration for this event will close on September 24th. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to put in our name, our email address, our phone number, and where we're from, and then hit register. And you'll see that we have been placed on the wait list for Library Happy Hour. So if you get put on the wait list, a seat becomes available, we'll get an email notification. So that's what it'll look like if you end up on a wait list for a program. And that's really what you need to know about our new event calendar. Really easy to use, very pretty, I think. And if you have any questions, you can always call us at the library at 203-245-8722 or 203-245-7365.